Chapter 27, Outsourcing and Team Building. No matter how efficient you are or how many systems and automations you have in place, there's a limit to how much you can do on your own. If you want your online business to grow beyond a certain point, and especially if you want it to run without you working 12 hours a day, you need to bring other people into the picture. This is where outsourcing and team building come in. Outsourcing simply means hiring someone outside your business to handle specific tasks or projects. This could be a freelancer, an agency, or even a virtual assistant. The beauty of the internet is that you can hire people from anywhere in the world, often at very affordable rates, to help you with things like graphic design, video editing, customer support, content writing, social media management, and technical work. By outsourcing, you can focus your time on the high-value activities that only you can do, like creating your product, building relationships, or steering the business strategy. Team building takes outsourcing a step further. Instead of hiring people on a project-by-project basis, you start building a consistent team that works with you regularly. This could mean bringing on part-time or full-time staff, or building a reliable roster of freelancers you work with on an ongoing basis. Having a team creates stability and allows you to delegate more responsibility, freeing you to work on bigger picture goals. The first step in effective outsourcing is knowing what to delegate. A good rule of thumb is to outsource tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or outside your skill set. If you're spending hours editing videos, but your time is worth far more when spent on sales or product development, it makes sense to hire an editor. If you're struggling with tech issues that take you days to figure out, hire someone who can solve them in hours. When you start outsourcing, you'll need to invest time in onboarding and communication. A common mistake is expecting freelancers or new hires to instantly just get it. Even the most skilled person needs clear instructions, access to resources, and an understanding of how you want things done. This is where your systems and documented processes come in handy. You can hand them over instead of explaining everything from scratch each time. Finding the right people can take some trial and error. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and onlinejobs.ph are great for finding freelancers. LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and industry-specific job boards can also be good sources. When hiring, look for a combination of skill, reliability, and communication. A super talented person who never meets deadlines will cause more headaches than they're worth. Sometimes a slightly less experienced but dependable worker who learns quickly is the better choice. As your business grows, you might move from outsourcing to building an in-house team, even if that in-house team is fully remote. You might start with a VA, then add a content creator, then a customer service rep, then a project manager. Over time, your role shifts from doing the work to managing the people who do the work. This transition can feel strange at first, but it's the only way to truly scale without burning out. One of the key ways to successful team building is creating a culture where people feel valued and clear on their responsibilities. Even in a remote business, culture matters. Communicate regularly, celebrate wins, give feedback, and make sure everyone understands how their work contributes to the bigger picture. The more invested your team feels, the more they'll go above and beyond for your business. Outsourcing and team building aren't just about getting more done. They're about buying back your time. Time you can spend on strategy, creativity, personal growth, or simply enjoying the life your business is meant to give you. It can feel like a big step to hand over control, but if you hire carefully, set clear expectations, and trust your team, you'll find that your business can grow far beyond what you could achieve alone.